In this project we have 4 electrodes, 2 electrodes for detection of left right eye movement and other 2 for detection of blink and up down movement, and the electrode signal goes to our acquisition system and digitization system. In this acquisition system, this part, this is instrumentation amplifier, and this is a 4 amplifier IC in which we have made filters, DC shifter and amplifier stages. Similar is here also. Similar is in this end and this end. So it makes a dual system, one for left right and other for up down and blink. After all amplification, filtering and DC shifting, the signal via this yellow and red wire goes to ADC. So this yellow wire is for left right movement and this red wire is for up down movement. This IC is a 4-channel ADC. Out of that we are using 2 channels. This is I2C base IC ADC. These 2 lines are I2C bus which goes to microcontroller from here to this microcontroller, and this is a common ground. This microcontroller is doing the data acquisition from the ADC, both the channels, and then it processes the data and find out which blink movements and left right movements you have done. Now via this 4-pin cable we are sending commands via RF transmitter after encoding. This is the encoder chip, and this one is a 433 MHz RF transmitter whose range is 10 to 30 meters depending on the antenna size and power. So this transmitter is not always on, it is on only when eye movements are sensed and are to be sent. Apart from that, we have switches, we have various switches to test the full RF system. Now once this system transmits, we have a receiver here. This is the receiver module. So this is the receiver module, and the receiver module output goes to decoder, and decoder 4-pin goes to microcontroller. The microcontroller reads the data and decide which commands have come. According to those commands, it will drive the graphic LCD and the menu on it. The graphic LCD is having 4 buttons. Fan, first is for fan. The first button is for fan, then TV, then bell, and then finally light. This center is the black is cursor. The cursor can be moved up, down, left, right, and once it comes to button, we have to blink to acknowledge the button function. This is cursor movements, and now it is on fan. So we have a fan here to emulate the real fan. For buzzer, for bell we have put a buzzer. For TV there is a LED. For light there is a LED. All this can be replaced by relays, and actual devices can be connected. In this microcontroller we have set a logic in such a way that the bell keeps on ringing in a duty cycle mode till nurse comes and reset the bell. First we'll go for fan. Now the fan is off, on. A cursor again, it comes to center because center is the optimum position from where it is easy to go to any other buttons. Now this fan is running. We want to switch it off. All these buttons are in toggle mode. Once you click, it turns on. Second time you click, it turns off. Clicking is done by blinking. Now this is in switched off. Similarly, we can have other features also. We can go to TV, make TV on, and again, so now TV has become on. We can make TV off, and TV has become off. Now we'll demonstrate the bell. So now the cursor is on bell. The bell is now ringing. We can reset the bell via a separate switch given. Now bell is off. So all these are functions which are all controllable by the cursor on the screen, but this cursor is again controllable by eye movements. Now I'll show you the placement of the electrodes. Pause, okay.